Good evening, all of you. I am Vikas, and today we are going to discuss about the OOPS in Java. The OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Systems. Basically, Java is the Object Oriented Programming Systems, Object Oriented Programming Language, and the OOPS is the methodology, that is the system of methods, and that methods we can apply on the different applications. And there are some concept in the OOPS. uh, that concept are the classes, objects. The class, the basically class is the logical entity where we can uh, basically the meaning of the class is the blueprint of the objects. And the objects are the nothing but the physical entity, and we can create a class using the multiple objects. Then there are four main pillars of the OOPS. First one is the inheritance, second one is the polymorphism, third one is the abstraction, and fourth one is the encapsulation. Then the inheritance, inheritance means we can acquire all the properties and the methods of the properties and methods of parent class to the child class, is known as the inheritance. Basically there are four types of the inheritance in Java. First one is the single, there are five types of inheritance in Java. First one is single level inheritance, second one is the multi level inheritance, third one is the multiple inheritance, fourth one is the hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is the hybrid inheritance. But the Java supports the only three types of inheritance: single level inheritance, multi level inheritance, and the hierarchical inheritance. This is all about the inheritance. Then second one is the polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. Basically there are two types of polymorphism in Java. First one is the compile time polymorphism, and second one is the runtime polymorphism. Then the compile time polymorphism is also known as the static binding and early binding. Then runtime polymorphism is also known as the dynamic binding and the late binding. We can achieve the compile time polymorphism through the method overloading, and we can achieve the runtime polymorphism through the method overriding. The method overloading means there are two methods that have the same name, that are present in the same class, but that two methods have the different types of arguments. In the differential of arguments, we can change the sequence of argument, we can change the types of arguments. And the method overriding means the two methods that have the same name, that have the same name and that have the same types of arguments, but that two methods are present in the two different classes. This is the method overriding. We can't achieve the method overriding in a single class. They have mandatory two, that two methods are present in the two different class. This is about the method overriding. Then third one is the abstraction. The abstraction is nothing but the hiding the implementation and showing only the functionality to the user, is known as the abstraction. We can achieve the abstraction using two ways. First one is the using abstract keyword, and second one is the using interface. We can achieve the abstraction. Using abstract keyword 0 to 100%, and we can achieve the abstraction through the interface from interface 100%. It means the methods that are present in the interface, all methods are the abstract methods. The abstract methods are the methods that have the only method signature but do not have the method body, is known as the abstract methods. Thank you.